Romil Miolo and the wife, Christine Miolo. Anyway, hindi naman yan si Christine for the first on May 3 during yung ating TESDA seminar sa Manila, nandun din si Christine. So, I'm happy to hear now we see each other from El Fisher Hotel. Ngayon, nag-decide na silang mag-asawa to sign our TFK elect na magkaroon ng technical vocational schools here in Bacolod in the partnership of TFK elect. Now it's already signed with Mr. Romel Yolo. So, coach siya kasi ng aking apo. Coach Romel, anong masasabi mo bilang naging partner ka sa TFK Elite?
Una sa lahat po, malaking pagpasalamat o laki tita na in-invite ako dito na para isang malaking tulong po para sa mga mahirap na para makaskool din. Meron maraming mga kabataan na kailangan natin na hindi nila kaya yung pag-aaral. Ito yung TESDA, malaking tulong po para sa nabukasan nila. Kami po nag-sign dito dahil ito po isang loob namin na pang humanitarian po para sa lahat. Maraming iba na hindi kaya pumunta dito sa Bacolod. Tutulong kami hanggang kung saan lugar na maabot namin, pupunta namin, magpatayo kami ng TESDA School.
Wow! Miss Christine, bakit ka parang excited ba? Naging partner ka how many months bago ka naging sign na under the name of Sir Romel Yolo? Ano ang masabi mo? Tin?
Actually, nung first na sinabi sa akin, from, I heard na TESDA, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na. And then, until nung nag-join ako ng orientation dun sa Manila na May 3, it was, for me, inspiring, na-motivate. And may puso din kami. I mean, may heart kami sa mahihirap. Nanggaling din kami from poor family. From scratch din ko. And so, yun po na pag-isipan namin, nag-desisyon kami ng asawa ko na ni Romel na tumulong sa mga less fortunate, mga out of school, even hindi lang out of school, yung mga nanay, mga tatay na hindi nakapagtapos ng school. You know.
So, Tin, and Coach Romel, now we are the second family, TFK Elite. Ngayon, ang inaano ko lang, both kay Kuya Romel din, din sila, magkapalaya, magka-same name, na ang sabi ko lang, now we are here in Bacolod, promoting NIR region. Nandun si Mr. Rafi Rines and the wife. Siya ngayon ang i-assign ko for facilitator sa NIR region 18 ba to? Or region 18. So, Mr. Rafi, kasama ko to siya sa advocacy namin during that time, 2 years ago. Alam mo na kung anong pinagsamahan namin during that time. So, Mr. Rafi, makuha ko lang yung ano pa ba ang matulong natin. Marami pa tayong tulungan dito sa NIR kasi ikaw ang inassign ko for the NIR. So, anong masig mo? Together your wife. Si Mama nursing from Pagadian City. So, now sa Pagadian City, meron na tayong TBI school doon. So, hoping and praying na soon mag-meet kayo doon. Kasi from Pagadian City, Region 9, and Region 18 from NIR. And then, sana makauwi ka doon sa iyo at saka marami pa tayong ma-encourage through the help of Mr. Rafi. So, Mr. Rafi, can you small message from us Nakuha kita as facilitator, as coordinator ng region NIR. Now, we are second family from TFK Elite.
Okay, the advocacy of TFK Elite, this will be able to help many out-of-school youth from far LGUs. We will try to reach them there and put up schools, TESDA schools there, aside from Bacolod, para at least doon sa kanila mas malapit.
Yeah. We give thanks to the NIR now. We are to claim the NIR, regional coordinator, facilitator, para hindi na tayo mahirapan to promote. Marami tayong matulungan na school, lalo na out of school youth. From the TFK Elite, I'm so proud na tutulong tayo sa TESDA. Remember, tutulong tayo sa TESDA to promote the 10-point agenda ni Secretary Manggododato from Region 6, Region NIR, Region 11, Region 10, Region 9, and now Region 1 and Region 7. So, thank you so much and congratulations, my husband. Ano ang masasabi mo pa regarding sa TFK Elite?
Well, with regards to this program of TESDA, I'm so proud that my wife bring this program in Bacolod. So it will help the people or the out-of-school youth, especially the poor family that cannot send their children to the school. So it's a big help of TESDA. Thank you very much.
Si ma'am, yung ating school, anyway, good afternoon, Mama Ann. Isa din siya sa ating newly opening na TBI schools. I introduce na maski pa paano makatulong siya sa atin. So, ma'am, any words from the, kung anong masasabi mo from the TFK Elite. Now we are here serving in Bacolod, and not really in Bacolod, in IR, na dito yung hometown namin, may founder, president, Dr. John Kichong, and most especially from me, I'm so happy na magkaroon tayo. As of now, 2 pa lang ang school na i-open natin. So, kay Mr. Yolo and Mr. Padrilla, same name, Romel pa rin. So, hoping si Romel and Mr. Yolo, maparami pa natin yung NIR para marami tayong matulungan here in NIR. So, si Mama Ann can we speak. Any small words lang, ma'am.
Looking forward to working with you and hope for a successful venture together.
Now, I'll be back. Nag-start tayo sa L-Freezer. Now, ipa-close natin ang L-Freezer after 3 months. Sige, thank you so much, Mama Ann.
Isa
Thank
pa
you.
pala tanong.
O sige, isa pa additional?
Ang TESDA pala, wala pala tong age limit, no?
No,
Itong
from
kagandahan sa atin.
18 to 65 years
Itong
old.
kagandahan sa atin yung TESDA na to. Kahit matanda na
So,
tayo,
again, thank you so much for TFK. Thank you so much.